Guys, good morning. We are at the airport getting ready for our flight to Cuba. We just got done exchanging US dollars into euros because the conversion to CUCs, or the money that they use in Cuba, is better if you convert from euros. So the conversion rate at the airport is horrendous, like it's terrible. So basically for every dollar I gave them, they gave me 70 cents, which is terrible. But I just hadn't had time to go and do this before now. Hence the reason you guys have no idea what's going on, because our life has been very crazy. So again, I'll fill you guys in on all of that good stuff, but first we gotta find something clean to eat, and that's always a challenge. I got a green smoothie from Lotta Colada, which is in the B concourse, and they use fresh fruit. And Reggie got a wrap and a fruit cup. Well, we got to not only skip the line, and we got to upgrade it to first class. Flying all the time for work pays off. But, super travel tip, print everything. Cuba isn't quite at 2018 yet, so a lot of their stuff isn't as electronic as what you're probably used to at home. So by us printing our boarding passes here at the airport and then having them stamp it, we didn't have to wait in the line with everybody who only had their phones and who had to go in and print out all of their stuff. Plus, we did all of the paperwork ahead of time. You guys just saw the form that we filled out just at the desk. And when we checked in for the flight, we had to get like a $50 visa per person. So be prepared for those costs as well. We're getting workout dragging these bags upstairs. Thank you for helping.
No, it's okay.
Oh, wow. This is so cool. Nice job, Reg. What?
This is the big bit.
Yeah.
¿Dónde vamos a ver?
Closets. Lots of closets. What's over there, babe? How cute is this? Turn that. And there's the hot tub. Oh, yes. It's nap time now, so I will check in with you guys when we get up. Hey friends, 9 o'clock here in Havana. We just woke up from a nap. The sun and the heat here is, Reg?
It's a killer.
It's hot. Oh, this is much nicer. Praise Jesus. At night, it really does cool down. You guys. Broke down and came inside to get the Wi-Fi password. So we're sitting at a table waiting on the waiter to wait on us, and then we can buy internet here at this hotel. You learn new things every day. This is really cool experience for sure, and I hope that the tips that we're sharing help you guys out. A couple of additional tips. Download Google Maps offline, like the map of Cuba, because Reggie did that, and that's what we've been using to navigate the city, and had he not downloaded that map, we would have been pretty much flying blind. There's a couple of apps that you can also use. I don't know if they're more in depth. We'll see here in a second. I'll let you guys know if that was more helpful or if that did anything for us. Like I said earlier, really comfortable shoes. The roads and streets and sidewalks here are not the best. So comfortable shoes that if you trip, you can catch yourself, because I've already tripped like 10 times. I'm also exceptionally clumsy. Flat shoes that are comfortable and closed toe, I would probably recommend. Water, a canteen that keeps your water cold is a nice luxury for sure. Toilet paper here is scarce. So if you like soft stuff, or if you have a preference, bring it with you. I brought the cotton ball wipes that I'm keeping in my bag, along with wet wipes and hand sanitizer. Just do it. Alright, Reg. Is it good?
All mine.
It is absolutely all yours.
Yeah, that mint is fresh as and that rum is great.
Since I kind of stopped drinking, it's not that hard to resist drinks now. All of the food situations, I'm still working through that. But that drink is really pretty, and the camera probably doesn't do it any justice since it's kind of dim in here, but it really is a really good looking drink. I'm glad that he enjoyed it. Pina coladas are my favorite drink ever, but we got goals. It hurts, burns, because I know that those pina coladas are delicious. The rum here in Cuba, it's so smooth. We're bringing home as many bottles as we can get from customs. Possibly more than that, if we can figure it out. Morning, guys. I have to show you this amazing breakfast. that was prepared for us in our Airbnb. And excuse me, because I literally just woke up. Fresh juice, bacon, fresh fruit, breads. Obviously I can't eat all of this, but the fruit is going to be so legit. I'm so excited. I tried a piece of the bacon. But I'm being honest. Hi friends. Sadly, it's our last day in Havana, and this has been the most incredible trip I think we've ever taken. There are so many amazing things about Cuba that you get if you want to do the whole vacation, relax thing, you can do that. If you want to explore and do culture, you can do that. I mean, there really is something for everyone. What was your favorite part?
The lamb.
Favorite part of here?
Yeah.
I mean, the food, eating. No, come back to me. The view. The view.
Oh, good one. All of the above. I'm gonna take the scapegoat answer. Everything was good. The food was good. The service. We haven't had bad service anywhere. The people in Cuba is really what makes Cuba Cuban. Billy has had to break it to several people on the island that celebrities that they love
Have died.
have since passed.
I also had to tell a family that Obama's not allowed to run for a third term. Devastated about that.
The Cuban people, when Obama was the president, he opened the borders and allowed Americans to be able to come back to Cuba.
You're looking out, Barry. Here because of you.
Barry was looking out for the Cuban people. Now, since then, the regulations have very much tightened and made it harder for Americans to come to Cuba, and
Excuse me.
the Cuban people depend on that money from tourism, so it's starting to dry up, which is a problem for them, obviously. So, unfortunately, Billy had to let his host family know that Barack is done. He can't come back as the president again. This was devastating to him. But he also
They wanted Barack to be on some Castro shit.
Yeah.
Be in there. Like, they want him to be the Fidel of America.
And
I'm cool with that, personally.
I'm not mad. I'm gonna be really
He can grow a
honest.
long ass beard and be in there since 80 years old. Like, I'll take Barack back.
So Billy also had to let some people know that Tupac has since left us, as has Michael Jackson.
It's tough out here, you know?
They don't know. But they don't know.
And I did see a guy yesterday that I think thinks that Jordan still plays for the Bulls.
Yes, in the same jersey, rocking the 23.
Jersey I had when I was like 10 years old in mint condition. I'm like, where did this nigga get this jersey?
This is amazing.
Right.
So these are all real. I don't want
Real
to call
Cuban
them
experiences,
Yeah,
like
real Cuban
interactions.
experiences.
Seeing that we're here for people-to-people interaction, we're doing
That's
that.
what we put to.
Yeah, that's what we're doing.
People to people.
Yeah.
So the joke behind that is whenever you come into Cuba, you have to like announce the reason that you're here. And the reason that 99% of Americans put on their form is people to people. what that really means or what that's supposed to do. No one knows.
So vague. There's no explanation behind it.
Right.
People to people.
It's just people to people. A vlog or a blog somewhere said that they put that, and that's what everybody's been putting ever since.
Did you follow that too? The girl that came down here and, you know, said like you can still come to Cuba?
Yeah.
Did you read that?
I did.
Yeah.
Alright guys. I'm not sure what the next step is, but we'll see you guys back here either in a little while or we'll see you tomorrow morning.
Tomorrow morning. Goodbye.
So let me tell you about what happened. We get to the airport, and I never get to the airport early, and for whatever reason today I thought that I would follow the rules and get to the airport 3 hours early. So we were here a little after 11, and our flight boards at 2.
Not debit card, but they accept cash.
We have no more coops, which is the money that's used here in Cuba, and we just spent all of our USD.
Right.
Our flight is now delayed, and there is nothing in this airport that will take an American credit card. Therefore, we have money, but we don't have any money we have access to. So we've been sitting here for quite some time with literally no money, no access to anything, and I come across my friend Mick.
I'm not trying to be like that.
That's Mick.
Whatever we get, you know what I'm saying?
Mick just so happened to have cash and is allowing me to PayPal him just as soon as we get to internet
Come back here.
the $100 that he just let us borrow. Mick owns five pesos, is that right?
5 pesos.
5 pesos in Atlanta, so
5 pesos.
if you are in Atlanta, I need you to do me a solid and go check out Mick's spot because
Mohawk Mick.
he helped us out in a super bind. So I had to vlog and share that with you, that traveling will humble you absolutely and put you in the weirdest positions that you're so thankful to be in, that I am so thankful to be in, and to run into fellow ATLians that are hospitable enough to help a girl out in a bind. So sending out positive vibes to you guys. Hopefully when you're seeing this, you're having an amazing day and it's not as crazy as ours has been thus far. And again, so thankful to people like Mick that are helping us out, and also there's nobody here to tell us what's going on with the flight, so we're relying on the people who have internet and or have more information than us to pass that along. Yet another experience that truly humbles you while traveling, but I'm just so thankful for the opportunity to be able to get out of this bind and to have resources that allow us to be a little bit more comfortable, because there are people who are just not able. So more to come. I'll keep you guys updated. So I have to say that I'm just so impressed with the hospitality and just the overall goodness of people, because there were a lot of people who ran out of money, people who were helping out complete strangers. We ended up making friends with a bunch of folks who are in Atlanta and exchanging information. Like, that's what makes travel fun. It's definitely the silver lining for sure.